entertained by my pain. Who ain't cash a check on my name? When my campaign turned to campaign, I burned 8 billion to take off my chains. Burn, baby, burn. Sometimes it hurts, I guess I never learned. To who would make us turn the CEO of the firm? It's now someone smoking sherm with big worm. Man, a couple wrong turns could fry you forever. It's a permanent burn. You charge it for cookie that's bang for
yo.
If you kissing on the mouth, you ain't charging enough. You heard I was flying in the mouth. They was trying for clout. I was dying to gouge.
What's good, everybody?
Man, the world gone mad. Heard R. Kelly in the next Balenciaga ad. Burning like a candlelight. Your love is dangerous. Your love is my love is our love is burning like a candlelight. Your love is dangerous. Your love is my love is our love is burning like a wild, wild west. What if you done wild out, yeah? Riding in the big God bless. She's all I know. It's a hell of a time.
Let me send the link to the Discord real quick. One sec. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Lower the music. Well, let me change it. All right, I think we're good to go. What's good, boys? Who else is in this oil trade? This better start pulling back. Let's see here. Hold on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close at break even very soon. If we come up and start tapping into the red zone or red like drawdown zone, I'm going to close this trade break even, because then it's just a retest on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, looks like we're pulling back here at least. Let's see here. 5-minute does not have a bottom wick. Let's see if the 5-minute can flip. 15-minute does also not have a bottom wick, but this is the thing, right? We're coming right into the zone and it seems to be rejecting hard. So if we come up to break even again, I'm just gonna close it. All right, because the idea was either we drive hard or we're just gonna probably retest to keep driving up. So yeah, that was the idea. But let's see here. We should hopefully we reject here very soon. See, the 5-minute is also retesting, right? You guys see the 5 minutes bearish structure. We're retesting this area right here. So if we come up, we shouldn't come up further than this. I mean, it is a very small margin, right? It's only 5 pips. Yeah, hopefully we reject here. Let's see here. Are the boys pulling up? What's good? Was currently sweating my balls off. How about you? Yeah, you guys are in a gold trade, right? Yeah. I mean, it broke structure. You did make a lower high. So it's not looking too bad. I mean, the 4-hour looks good. The 4-hour looks really good. I mean, this is the last 1 hour of the 4-hour. This is probably where it might flip if it wants to flip. All right, let's see how this candle comes up. All right, wait. Alright, that's a retest of the zone. We should be able to flip here. Come on. Come on, 5 minute. Come on, 5. Alright, price is lagging. Price is lagging. Price is lagging. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Alright, alright. What do we want to do here? Very indecisive. Very indecisive. Which way do we want to go? Do we want to make a lower high, or do we want to keep driving up? Alright, not bad, not bad. Now I do want to see this 5 minute just rip down. Hopefully we don't reflip. Ideally the 30 flips. I think that was a flip on the 5, yeah. Bro, what an indecisive candle. It's playing with me. It's literally playing with me. So we're gonna come down or what? I feel like it's gonna rip very soon. It looks like it's preparing to just rip hard in one direction. What the fuck is... Why is it so indecisive? Damn. The 1 hour looks good. 30 looks good. All the time looking at the 4 looks very good. At 2 it looks like it wants to come down a lot, but like the 5 just needs to be more decisive. All right, broke its own low. Can we drive here? Okay, there's a rip. Not quite as big as I wanted to, but it should be able to rip down further. If we reflip here, are we gonna reflip really? Alright guys. At this point it's playing with me. Sorry guys, I'm not reading chat, I'm just waiting here. I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna get out of break even or if we're gonna rip down. If this 5 breaks its own high, I'm out of this trade at break even. So if this 5 comes up and breaks its own high, I'm done. This trade is... Because if it doesn't reject here, then when is it going to reject, right? This is the retest on the 5. And on the 15. That's the retest. So if it doesn't reject here, where is it going to reject, right? So yeah. Also, if it doesn't reject here, that means that it rejected here instead, or it came down to retest on the 3rd minute to come further up. So yeah. Just waiting till we're secure in this trade, and then I'll get on with the stream. But right now I'm just monitoring this trade very closely, so nothing crazy happens. Can we flip on this 5? Made a top wick first. Alright, flip. Flip right back. Alright, once this breaks its own low, or once this breaks 77.3. I think we're good to move stops to break even. But until then, we are monitoring this trade. Let's see if it breaks this. If we break the previous high, we'll close this trade. Because there's no reason for it to break its own high again. We did, like, it's a retest. It's a clear retest. Clear retest on a bearish trend. I wonder why price action is so slow though. It's like very surprisingly slow at the moment. Yeah, I'm having my finger on the close position button. All right. That was a 15 close. 15 close, kind of respecting that area. Yeah, guys, you should see it right on here. I don't know why price isn't driving down. Is it gonna break its? Is it gonna break previous highs? All right, I close full at BE there. I close full at BE. Now this I have no idea what this wants to do, but if it didn't reject there, there's no real reason for it to drive down, right? If it didn't drive down here, then when is it gonna drive? Right. Hourly also reflipped. The 4 hour looks like it's about to reflip, so no, we'll stay out here, guys. We'll stay out and wait for a better position. All right, now we can get on with the stream. All right, BE trade. Let's see here. What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? Are you in oil? Yes, I was in oil. SA better get a pullback. Yeah, guys, honestly. Honestly, like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. You are in a heavy bullish trend. Now, the only positive thing that I can see is that you kind of broke structure. On the 15 and on the 5, you kind of started moving sideways. You did reject off of the 29 levels. I had a sell level at 29.6. So that's the only real positive thing. Also, the 4 was very overextended. Now, saying that, you do also have a lot of room left to go. But yeah, I mean, if you don't break 29, you should be good. If you don't break 29.6, you should be good. But if you break 29.6, then yeah, it should be pretty good if you don't break 29. SA put us on a trade check goal. Let's see your review. I mean, it was a solid trade, right? Solid trade. It rejected off of these. This is a common rejection area. It almost always rejects off of this area. So I mean, I could see why you would take a sell here for sure, and it's not a bad trade. Now, you know, sometimes it doesn't go your way, and that's just how it is. But again, the trade is still not over. It could still just reverse here and go your guys' way. So don't be too quick to judge. We still don't know. How will you trade news today? I won't trade news. That's how we will trade news. I will stay out of news. I don't trade news. Do I want oil? I don't know, bro. That's up to you. Oh wow. Okay, oil. Oh wow, oil. That's how you want to do it. What can you do, bro? What can you do, honestly? Hey Bard, we were supposed to ask, can you join the stream with SA today for the CPI on Zoom? Yeah, if you guys want to trade news with SA, we could fix that. You guys want to do that? We could definitely do that. Read the chart, brother. It needs the bus and the elephants, I swear, man. The oil is pissing me off. What was that drive? Random ass drive from nowhere. Hey Bard, I got a DM from Trader SA, but the name isn't the same. Who can I DM to resolve this? DM any of the mods. DM Khan, DM HD, Noah. Whichever one, and they'll ban him. Using 45, yeah. Yep. Wish I could close for the You up early. This is my usual time, bro. I was up for SA stream as well. I had college. Don't forget to record. Ah, okay, thank you. Now I'm recording. Thank you, bro. Sometime good, maybe sometimes shit. Yes, sir. What's good, brother? Why did you close the oil trade? Well, because if you look at the 30, it does not look too pretty, right? If you look at the 30, it just looks like a retest to drive further up. So that's why I closed the oil trade. I closed the oil trade because on the 30, it looks like it wants to retest to come further up. Also, no compensation play on the 30. So yeah, that's why I closed the oil trade. Right, the idea was to come. We wanted to catch this move right here. That was the idea. So yeah. Again, the thing is, the 15, the 5, and the 4 hour look good to drive down, but the hourly, the 30, do not look good to drive down. So it's kind of, they're not matching. The time frames are not matching at the moment. That's why. He closed the trades so the market makers could send it down as soon as it pulled. Yeah, I swear to God. It's like I closed the trade, I sent the signal, and then we got a push from nowhere. It's almost like it's planned. Fucking market makers, bro. We still gotta find those. We still gotta find those motherfuckers in the Discord. All right. Seems like that's the. Hey Bard, on which time frame do you usually base your initial support and resistance level? 30 minute. Usually 30 minute. 30 minutes is like my main, and then I sometimes go to 15, sometimes they're hourly, but 30 minutes is like my main. Is the one I like the most. On gold 15, on oil 30. On gold I like the 15 more. So yeah. Nothing on the 4 and 1 hour? No, I don't draw levels off of the 4 hour and 1 hour. I just look at them, right? So I look at the 4 hour and I look at the bias, I look at the structure, and I get an idea of the higher time frames. Same with the daily, I get an idea. But where I draw my lines is 30 and 15. That's where I draw my lines, because I think that's the most exact. Those are the most exact levels that I get. Nah, fuck oil. Decided to drive. As soon as we close it, decided to drive down, huh? But yeah, let's get into this analysis, boys. Let's not waste any more time. Let's see here. If SA is willing to trade news with you guys, I'll let him trade news with you boys, if you want that. But yeah, let's get into this analysis first. So let me remove the drawings. You know, I'm gonna keep some levels. I'm gonna keep 27, and I'm gonna keep. Move this a little higher. $20.30.5. One sec here, boys. Let me just fix these ranges a little bit. this. All right. Let's start on the daily, should we? Let's get rich. Go Michael out on each side. Loki gambling, but hey, WWW. Yeah. All right. All right. So I'll see if SA wants to trade news with you guys and. Oops. All right, so the daily, boys, the daily. So what is going on the daily? We are tapping a heavy resistance here on the daily at, what is this? This is around 2020 areas. Yes, we know, we've been knowing that 2020, 2017 areas is a very strong area on the daily. It's a very strong. We have had since, when is this? Since December 23rd, so about 3 months, we haven't been able to break or close below this resistance. We did it once, but we came right back up, so we made a fake out, right? We made a fake out. Now, what is the important thing to know here, guys? Price action is universal, right? So it's the same on every time frame, meaning that what can we see? We could see that the daily made a fake out. Once it made a fake out, it came up, broke the highs, right? We broke the highs, and then we came back down. What does this mean? It means that we grabbed liquidity, right? We broke the lows, made a fake out, so people got faked out. Grab liquidity above the range, because this was apparently not enough liquidity to come down. Grab liquidity above this range, and now we're coming down again. So it's safe to say that if we close back below 2020 areas again, you're gonna see us drive down to 1980, right? That is the next area I have. 1980s. Now it's not gonna be a smooth ride, obviously. It's not gonna go straight down. It's gonna be some turbulence on your way down, but you are gonna tap 1980 if you close below now on the 20, because you have made a typical liquidity grab, a typical fake out to eventually grab some liquidity to then head further down. So what are we seeing right now? Well, I would say right now you're seeing a retest, right? So if you have a daily bearish structure, right? You have the retest area right around these levels, because we know that these levels are also very strong. If you look at the daily right here, this is a very strong level as well at 2027 to 2030, 2030 to 2027, these areas right here, right? Very strong area. So we are retesting that area, right? Retesting that area, possibly filling up some imbalances, and then once we do that, we have 9 hours left. Ideally, I could see the daily flip and keep heading down, and then eventually close below 2020, maybe retest, and then make its way down to 1980s. So that is my prediction on gold for the daily. So what is the bias? The bias is bullish until around 2030, and then I'd switch my bias to bearish. So I'd say we're very short-term bullish for about like 30 more pips, and then we are mostly bearish. So mostly bearish on gold. So we're gonna look for gold, because as we know, gold likes to make lower time frame reversals for higher time frame continuations, and the higher time frame continuation is going to be a bearish continuation. If we go look at the 4 hour, we see the same thing, right? Same thing. We have a current bearish structure coming up to retest, fill the imbalances made to eventually reverse and head down, right? So the continuation is the bearish continuation. Now, what can we look for here? Let's see. Let me look at some history first. All right. There's only a handful of times we've been in these areas, guys. It's only a handful of times we've been in these areas. Alright, faked out. came up to around, back up to 46. Let's see here. Faked out, came back up to around 40 areas. Okay. Faked out, or you could say right here, faked out, came back to around 60 areas. All right, so I mean, yeah, like I said, each time or every single time you are in these areas, what happens? You come down and make a fake out first. You fake out. You've done that plenty of times. Look, if you go to the past, right? Plenty of times. Faked out. Not enough liquidity. Came up. And then the second time you broke the level, you were able to come down, right? Same thing here. Faked out. Came up. And then you were able to come down. So it's a reoccurring scenario here, boys. So we do have the same scenario. We already have the first part of the scenario, which is the fake out. So what can we expect now? We're gonna expect a breakout to 1980s. So, right, I don't know how far we're gonna push. I am expecting us to push to around, maybe not 30, but maybe 35, 30 areas, like somewhere in these areas between 35 and 30. I am expecting us to push up to those areas. Doesn't have to, but yeah, then flip bearish and start heading down. So that is the idea, boys. Don't think we'll break the highs again. Don't think we'll break the highs. Not even these highs. I think we're good to come down. Now let's see here on the hourly. Let's see. I could delete some lines, I think. I could delete this. I'll keep the 2016 area because that's a very strong area. I'll maybe put a little lower, so around these areas right here. Yeah, pretty simple here, boys. Let's see what oil is doing first. Okay, oil. Oil is being weird. You did not break highs in the 5. That's interesting. It's very interesting. Oil still looks good for a sell, boys. It's just a 30-minute that's bugging me. Anyways, gold, right? So gold has this tight range that we didn't even draw today. We drew this range yesterday, or not even yesterday. We drew this range on Friday. So what does that mean? It means that the ranges are pretty solid, right? If the ranges held up since Friday and we haven't had any need to touch them, it means that the ranges are pretty strong. So we could expect, if we close below, we have some clean traffic all the way down. It's pretty simple. Because like I said, I am waiting for a lower time frame reversal for a high time frame continuation. The higher time frame continuation is a bearish continuation. The lower time frame is currently bullish, which means that we're looking for some bearish confirmations to eventually take the bearish sells or take the positions to the downside. And the confirmation will then be a closure below 2027, in my opinion. And once you close below 2027, it should be able to take you down pretty nicely here. Let's see here. Yeah. So, pretty simple here, boys. A closure below, maybe even lower than that, to be honest. Just to be more safe. Maybe even lower than that, to be honest. We do have this range right here. So we do have this. So we do have this playable range. Now, let's see here. 1 sec here, boys. Let's see, what did SA say? Alright. So SA is gonna trade news with you guys. So yeah. That's now done. Just so you guys know, trade with caution. If you have never traded news before or anything, don't jump in just because SA is doing it. SA is still very experienced, has done it a lot of times before. Don't just jump in on a whim. But for you guys that want to take that extra risk, SA is gonna trade news for you boys. But like I said, very risky. Very risky. I personally don't do it. Because I think it's too risky. And I don't have a lot of experience trading news. I've never actually tried to learn it or anything, so I'm gonna stay out. But if any of you feel like you could take some extra risk today, or you feel a little spicy, you could trade news with SA. But we're gonna do that in 25 minutes. I think news is coming up. So yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, like I said, I just wanted to check because we do have a weird range here. Yeah, I'd say below 25.5 you should be able to grab some nice sells on gold. Yeah. Below 25.5, otherwise above 2030. 2030.583 should be good for buys, and sells should be good below 2025. If you come below 2021, even better. That could also be a nice area for sells. Do this a little bit lower. I'm gonna have a stops to break even around here. Why is that such a weird? Why is it so damn thick? That's our stops to break even if we close below. Now this will give us around 26 pips. And the reason I have my stops to break even is because when we do close below and turn around, that's usually where we tap if we don't drive all the way. So that's going to be my stops to break even point if we do get a sell. But yeah, below 25 should be pretty good here, boys. Let's see. Here from the well, this zone is very tricky here, boys. There are very small zones. Very small zones. Because you see here, you didn't fill the range. That's the thing. Like I said, the range is very weird because you do have some fake outs here, or not fake outs. You do have some closures that didn't drive. So I'm trying to see here. I think that is a better zone, to be honest. Maybe if you do this, what does this look like? Yep, I'd say that's a better zone. Yeah, I'd say that's a better zone. Now it's a smaller zone, but again, we don't want to get faked out here. Let's see. Yeah, these are my zones, boys. These are my zones. It's in 30-minute. Yeah. All right. So ideas here. Ideas are closure above should be pretty good after we break the lows. So I do want to see us break the lows, right? Come down, grab some liquidity, and then closure below should be good for buys up. Otherwise, just straight closures below. Just straight closures below 2023. Because I do believe this range is a slippery slope. I do believe from 23 to 2020 is a slippery slope, and I do think we're going to fill that range if we come below it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for gold. Oil, I'm not so sure what oil wants to do yet. I'm not so sure what oil wants to do yet. It made a nowhere compensation play though. Did make a nowhere compensation play. But yeah, I'm glad we got it at break even, because the oil trade does not look good, to be honest. It looks like on the 30 it looks like a retest to come up. The only places it looks good, again, 4 hour still looks good. 5 minute does not look good anymore. 5 minute does not look good anymore. It's starting to break structure. 15 also has a hard time. So yeah, I'm glad we got out of that trade, guys. To be honest, that could have gone south. But yeah, like I said, boys, oil loves to retest. Oil loves to retest. That's oil's specialty, is to retest. It loves to just drive, retest, drive, retest, drive. And then eventually break. So if you want to take oil sells, you got to be careful, because some people might take sells right here. But you got to remember that oil loves to retest. So yeah, that's why you wait for the structure to break on oil before taking any sells or positions in the opposite direction. So yeah, we have news now in... Wow, we have news in 16 minutes here, boys. So 16 minutes before news, we're gonna have a special guest trading news with you guys. So whoever wants to trade news, you're welcome to do that. I'm not trying to do that or anything, but yeah. Now let's see what you guys are saying. Bought from 2012 yesterday, holding out, took 80% of 3 lots already. First big win after 1 year trading. Hey, let's fucking go, bro. Congrats. Happy to hear that. Big dub. Hey, love from Sweden. Let's fucking go. Ilya vs Volk on Saturday. Yeah, that's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. I think Volk is gonna... I don't know. We'll see. I think Volk is gonna be a little shaky after his loss. Hopefully it doesn't happen what happened to Usman, right? Like he loses badly, and then it all goes downhill from there. What's up, HD? I left oil on. Should I hold or close? Close, bro. I got blocked from commenting on Donvo's stream because... well, when you know the dollar is going up, when news hit, you know gold will go down, so it's not risky. Alright, bro. Why don't you just practice with small lot size once you gain some confidence, build up the lot? Basically, it's just another strat for news. To be honest, I don't really care about trading news, boys. Like, I don't... It's whatever to me. I'll stick to price action. We already have one news trader. We don't need another one. Yeah, we're gonna me and SA are gonna be on a call. And we're gonna be on a call, and he's gonna trade news for you guys right here on my stream. Do you think it's better to come out now from gold sells? Did you sell gold? Or are you in SA's trade? I don't know, I can't manage that trade for you. You'll have to ask him. Yeah, news, you get slipped easily. You can have huge pullbacks, you have to have big stop losses, right? Especially with CPI. So yeah, it's tough. Gold hit the 4th time on the resistance. Yeah, it looks like it has a hard time breaking this resistance. But again, you have news in 14 minutes, so it's gonna be tough. On the daily, 230 is a problem. Yeah, I said that as well. 230 is a strong level on the daily. That's what I said. I am bullish until 2030. After 2030, I'm probably changing my bias. Now it doesn't matter because we have news in 30 minutes, and news can do whatever it wants. But if it was pure price action, I'd say you should be able to come down here. But again, news. What can you do? Wait, aren't you guys gonna be in a position during news? I think you guys are gonna be in a position during news. Like before, right? Yeah, they didn't go, oh yeah, you guys are in a position. They're expecting neutral numbers. Bad numbers here. Bad numbers here. Yeah, they're expecting, I don't know. Expecting kind of neutral to bad numbers. That's why they want to see him on. Okay, yeah. Sells, yeah. Yeah, let's see if God is on your side today, guys. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, I'm low-key tired as fuck, I'll be honest. I woke up way too early today. She's crazy. She tried a new paddock. Yeah, look at that. Seems like oil just wanted to retest right further up. Loki, I'm Loki gonna take a nap. I might actually take a nap during SA stream. I might just let SA trade news with you guys for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna take a quick power nap. I'm fucking dead, to be honest. Dude, imagine if your position comes down and you're able to move stops or break even before news. 10 minutes here. That would have been crazy. Although, if I could give you guys one advice. If I could give you guys one advice for the news trade, like if for you that are in news, I'd say right before news, move your stop loss as tight as possible. Because whichever way news wants to drive, it's going to drive hard. So it doesn't matter if you have, like when news comes out, it doesn't matter if your stop loss is 30 pips or 100 pips. It's going to get hit either way. So that's what I'd say you should do. So right before news comes out, I'd say tighten your stop loss. Like right now, I don't know where your stop loss is. I think it's at 2033. But I'd say right before news, move it to maybe 2031. So you save yourself 20 pips in case it goes the wrong way. Because it's CPI, so it's going to move heavy. So it's if it taps 31, it's going to tap 33 as well. Definitely. It's not just going to tap 31 and not... It doesn't really... Of course it does matter, bro. Do you want to lose more? I don't know. Obviously it doesn't matter because if the news comes out against you, it's gonna hit stop loss either way. So you might as well try to lose as little you want to lose as little money as possible, because if stop loss 20 pips, it pushes 40 pips, you'll get slipped 20 pips. You'll get slipped. Yeah, but you might. Is it better to get slipped on 20 pips or get slipped on 40 pips? And that's not 100%. That's what I would do. Now, you guys do whatever you want, but if I was trading news, I would move my stop loss to have it a little tighter. Because if it goes the wrong way, it will hit your stop loss either way. So you might as well try to lower your risk. And sure, you could get slipped, but I'd rather get slipped from 20 pips than 40 pips. Right? Because let's say your stop loss is at 40 pips, like David is saying. Let's say your stop loss is at 40 pips, right? Let's say one scenario your stop loss is at 40 pips and one scenario your stop loss is at 20 pips. The scenario which is it is at 20 pips, you might get slipped or you might not. Right? So you might save 20 pips or you might lose the same as if you would have had your stop loss at 40 pips. So it's still a risk, you're still minimizing risk. Because there is a chance that you don't get slipped. And then you would save 20 pips. Now, if you do get slipped, you would have lost 40 pips anyways. Because that's where your stop loss was. Right? So that's what I would do. But now, you guys do whatever you want. Now again, I could be completely wrong and it could just wick you guys out and then go down in the same direction. That's what I'm saying. I don't trade news, so but that's like what I would do if I traded news. But again, I've been wrong before, I could be wrong again. Let's see here, boys. SA is preparing to come on. He's taking a quick line before it comes on, so he's ready. There he is. Hello, what's up, bro?
Can the stream hear me?
I think can you hear him? Can you guys hear him?
If you can't hear me, you're gonna have to add it on your Streamlabs or whatnot. You're gonna have to add the audio.
They should be able to hear you. Can you guys hear him? Okay, they can hear you. They can hear you.
Perfect. All right, boys. I just want to remind you, okay? This is extremely dangerous. Okay, if it's your first time ever trading news, please do not enter. Just watch, observe for next time, so you know what's gonna happen. And if you're a freaking degen and you're an addict and you can't stop yourself, enter a 0.01 loss, the smallest amount you can. Okay. The second thing is, for those of you who are in sales with me, we're not going to add sell limit sell stops. We're only going to add buy stops. For those of you who are not in sales with me, you're gonna add sell stops and buy stops. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the sell stops and the buy stops. If you're in sales already, do not add the sell stops. Only the buy stops.
You want to share your screen?
I'm not gonna put it on my screen. I'm just gonna say it out loudly.
Really? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because I don't decide the position until like 1 minute before. Okay, so you guys get your MT5 ready. You're gonna have to put the buy stop, sell stop 1 minute before news comes out, because the price can jump in the last minute. What else? For those of you who are in sales, put your stop loss, or you could leave it where it is, or like Bard said, drop it down to 31, 32, but it is likely you will get snipped.
Yeah, you heard the man. So
okay, guys,
trade. Be careful, boys. Don't. This is not gonna be a smooth ride. This is gonna be very, very intense.
As soon as you see yourself in profit, close the trade. Do not be greedy. Do not be stupid trying to catch 200 pips, 100 pips. When you caught a decent 30, 40 pips, close it out. Close it out.
Yeah. How do I like detach so they can only see the call? Like, you know how you do it on Zoom?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Damn. All right. Whatever. I guess I'll just have to listen to you.
Yeah.
All right. Where did you enter sell, by the way? Earlier.
Oh, we laid in from 25 up into 27. It was so stupid because, you know, the first buys we had.
Yeah. We
were at like 24 or 23. And I was telling them on stream, boys, we might extend TP to 27 and enter sales at 27. And I was like, you know what? Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. And this is what happened.
Yeah, it was the same with me and oil, bro. Did you see the oil trade?
Yeah.
As soon as I closed, it just bam, like 20 pips for no reason.
Okay. So...
We gotta get the market makers out of the streams, bro.
Alright, so buy stops will either be 2033, 2032, or 2034. Okay, do not place it yet. I will let you guys know. Potentially, after news comes out, we might enter another trade, but that trade will be extremely risky. The buy stops and sell stops, you have to close as soon as you get the pop. As soon as you get the big move, you have to close straight away. And if we enter another trade, that one you can hold for a bit, but potentially we could have 100 pip stop loss. Okay, so again, remember, it's extremely dangerous. Do not over risk. For sell stops, I'm either looking at 2024 or 2023.
2024, 2023. So are you gonna enter manually?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sell stops. I'm gonna set sell stops and buy stops.
Okay.
Okay, boys. Sell stops 2024 and buy stops 2033. Okay. Sell stops 2024. Sorry, buy stop 2034. Everyone understand? 2024 is sell stops, buy stops is 2034. If you're in sales already, do not add sell stops, just buy stops. Hopefully these things comes down and we can close out. All right, boys. Oh my God, heart attack. 20 seconds. Shit.
What were the buy stops?
2034. Quickly, you got 10 seconds.
2034.
Sell stops is 2024. 2034 is buy stops. Oh.
Okay.
Close out, boys. Close out. Close it out. Close it. Close that 2019 point. No, I got closed out 2020. Okay, 2020. And we're gonna add the pips later.
God damn.
Right, now, if you want extremely dangerous, buy. If you want, buy. If you want, buy. If you want, buy. Dangerous as hell. And as soon as you're happy with profit out, do not be an idiot. If you bought right now, your stop loss will be 2015. And your TP will be 2030, 2031. You know that area. Holy shit, man. Whew.
God damn.
That's like a good 300-400 pips with all positions.
Really?
Yeah, because we had 4 or 5 positions. We had one at 20. Let me just double check. We had one at 24, one at 25, 26, and 27.
Dude, that's insane, bro. You guys, if you guys had 4 positions, they all turned out to be like 40, 50 pips. Damn.
Oh, boys. Holy shit.
Hey, how many of you guys were in the trade from earlier in chat? How many of you guys were in the sell? Damn, you guys are eating good. Let me get some W's. Let me get some W's for SA. %2 gain. Holy shit. Dude, that was actually insane. Like I think I didn't breathe for the last 20 seconds.
I saw that a wick up, I was like, oh shit. And then it stopped down.
Oh, it's driving here. Holy shit. Damn.
Alright, let's see if we survive this 2015. Again, even if we get stopped out in 2015, we should all be up.
Yeah.
Stupid amount.
Yeah. That was actually insane. Holy shit. The fact that you guys had 4 positions is fucking insane to me. The fact that you have 4 positions and it just went down like 100. Like you must have made like 400, 500 pips off of that. That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, looks like we got stopped out of the buys, which is completely fine. Oh no, I haven't got stopped out yet.
Where did you take the buys?
So I've got buys at 2022 and I got another one at 2016 that just got triggered. I don't know where that order came from. 16. But I think I must have had a buy limit or something. But if you're not in any positions, 2015 right now is actually a very nice place to buy.
Alright, it's tapping right into that golden zone at 2013, 2012 where it usually likes to reject, so.
Yeah. Woo. Okay, yeah, we got stopped out. That's all right. But yeah, taking buys now is not the worst decision. It's up to you what you guys want to do. I'm done.
Damn, how many pips did you catch, like in total?
Let me calculate it.
How many pips did you guys catch in chat? I want everybody to tell me how many pips you guys caught from that trade, like the trades you held from earlier from London stream.
So
118, 150, 97, 0, -10.
So we had at 2024.27 up until close that.
150.
That's 47 plus
600. half got stopped at 2030 and the half made up for it. Let's go, bro. What a fucking move. How many pips was that? That was light 170 pip move. God damn. What did news turned out like? Wow, news turned out good. Very good.
286 pips.
286 pips.
Yeah.
Damn.
Right, let me update. And do you know what the best part is? That trade was taken live on stream. So the stream record.
Yeah, that's actually true.
The pip count is gonna be insane.
Yeah, boys, that was a live trade, guys. That was a live trade. You can't say that wasn't a live trade. Maybe not history, but it was still live.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Holy shit! The crypto trade is dumping.
Is that good or bad?
Good. We had sales.
Okay.
Closed. Full.
Yeah, 4 positions during use is crazy.
I was expected to be closed way before news, but obviously we didn't get it.
No, I know. I had a. Do you remember I had a similar position?
Yeah.
Like we were in positions, then we just waited for news. We're like, "Alright, fuck it. Whatever happens, happens."
So it was 286 pips.
I believe that was so fast, yeah. It triggered other people's buy stops, then sank.
It shouldn't have. Your buy stop should have been at 34.
Yeah, that's.
So I don't know how it triggered.
It was literally 24 pips from buy stops.
It shouldn't have triggered. I'm surprised it didn't trigger my stop loss because my stop loss was at 2033. It was 8 pips away. No, 9 pips. 9 pips.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys got in on buy stops, you should need to contact your broker, bro.
Yeah.
That's just.
That is crazy.
Oh, not QTC. Okay, you're talking about someone else. Raja had stop.
Buy stop above the previous 30-minute. Huh? What's the previous 30?
At 29? No, wait, what? Previous 30-minute high is 29. I don't know.
Yeah, then you got fucked.
Yeah.
One thing you need to know, when you're doing buy stops, sell stops, you cannot put them in the 10, 20 pip range of the current price. A minimum 30, 40. Minimum. Yeah. Ideally 50 pips. Because you've seen what price can do. You've seen it.
Especially CPI.
Yeah.
My stop loss was at 32.5, got stopped. 32.5. Really? It doesn't even tap 32.5. Yeah, I don't know with these brokers, bro. It's different with every broker. Like, some people get stopped out. Some people got buy stops triggered. Like, I don't fucking know. It's actually insane.
Ooh. I guess that's us done for the day, for the week.
Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Take care.
Alright, yeah, bro. I'm gonna hop off.
Alright, bro.
I need to do something, man.
Alright, man. I appreciate you. Hey, WSA's in the chat. Yeah, go and cool off a bit, bro. Go on a walk or something.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Take care, man.
Take care.
Damn, boys. Crazy. Fucking crazy. It's not normal. That guy's not normal. Ah, damn, boys. Now what do we do? Now what do we do? Now we wait. Wait for news to calm down. It is hitting that 2013 golden zone, so not so sure what we want to do here. We'll wait though. We'll wait though. We're not gonna jump in positions. Wow. Okay, oil is dumping. Fuck going on? Oil is dumping, boys. What can we do here? Well, here's the thing. We want to see us break structure. So below 76.8 should be pretty good for sells, right? Because oil likes to retest a lot. So I'd say, but even below this wick right here, I'd say should be pretty good for sells, right? We don't want to enter before we break the lows, right? Because that could always be a retest. But yeah, boys, the 4-hour looks very good as well to come down and fill the imbalance. Let's see here. I wonder where our previous... Damn. All right, just blew past that zone. Now, when's the next zone? I mean, here's the thing, boys. It's very hard to predict. It's very hard to predict because news doesn't really care about price action, like I always say. So it's very hard to predict where we're gonna reject off of. But let's see. The hourly looks very juicy for buys on oil, but the 4-hour doesn't. So we're gonna stay out here. We could get some possible. Could get some possible buys on oil very soon at 70. Maybe if we reject off of 77 or 76.7, should be able to get some juicy buys because that's going to be, or maybe even lower, maybe around 76 point. I'd say 76.7. Should be able to get some juicy buys on oil. Reason being that would be the retest on the 4-hour, and that would also be a retest of the lows on the hourly, 30-minute. 15, 5. We also have a very strong rejection area right here. There's going to be a retest on. It's going to be a retest on the 4-hour, and it's going to be. It's going to be a test of the range of the support on the lower time frames, and it's also an area where we usually reject off of pretty hard. Also, we rejected off of that area, I think, once. Right, and like I say on oil, once we reject off of area once, we usually reject off of it twice. So, could get some nice buys here on oil very soon. What a fucking drop on gold. Yeah, I ain't trying to catch a falling knife though. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife though. I hope Alex got out of this long position early. Oh yeah, that's true. I hope so too, bro. Bro, I'm on drawdown? Damn, you were in drawdown? Feels bad, man. 2006 looks like it will tap. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised if it does, to be honest. We'll see here though. Oil is coming down. That's nice. Yeah, we'll just have to wait here, boys. To get potential buys very soon. I got it at 2022. Holy, it wicked up and dumped in seconds. Yeah, that's news for ya. Damn. Holy shit, guys. Yeah, possible buys very soon here. Possible buys very soon. What a fucking move, bro. I was literally like when you guys were trading news, I was just, it was like watching movies. Like it was like watching an Avengers movie. Like I held my breath. I didn't breathe. I was about to pass out. I was sitting like that, like I was like, it was so intense, bro, and it went so quick as well. Hey, some people chase that high. It's kind of a high, right? It's kind of a euphoric feeling. It's like snorting coke or something. It's like it's such a high trading news. It's such an adrenaline rush. I guess that's why people like to do it. I can see like how people get addicted to it either way. Like also, like trading news, I can definitely see it because it's a strong feeling. It's a strong high. Basically, gambling addiction. You just don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's basically a gambling addiction. Are we waiting for the 4-hour top wick and then entering cells? Honestly, no, bro. I mean, I have to wait for some structure. It's not just the top wick; it's structure in general. I guess the 4-hour top wick would make structure in the lower time frames. So yeah, you could say that. Yeah, I am waiting for us to fill in balance first before I take any trades, right? Now this doesn't have to fill in balance. You can just keep driving, but again, I don't want to catch a falling knife. So I am gonna wait for some type of structure to get formed. Maybe come back up to around 2017 areas, come back above to around 2021, 2020 areas, and then I could look for some sells down. Or even maybe retest 2012, but until we start pulling back, I'm not gonna look for positions. I'll wait for oil. Now oil should be able to come further down than this. You have 8 minutes till the 4-hour close. Bro, what happened? Reason for ignoring my messages? All good. What? Oh, I switched from on screen. I'm sorry, bro. I don't see all the messages, man. All the time. Not bad. Let's see here. Had around a 200 pip push. Now I do have a big imbalance to fill, boys. You have a 4-hour closure in 7 minutes. So let's see how this 7 minutes closes. It's gonna be very interesting. Same thing on oil, right? You have a 4-hour closure. You do have a zone right here on oil. If you close above that, then you should be good to keep driving up. Pull back to 2016 maybe. I'd say to around 2013 should be pretty good for a pullback, especially if you close below. If you close below, you should like pull back at around 2013 should be pretty good. Again, we don't want to catch a falling knife here, boys. People are buying. I guarantee you people are buying right now. Like it's so intuitive to buy. So intuitive to buy. Like when you see this imbalance and you see it's gone, like, because your brain naturally think, okay, it's gone down too much now, it should be able to come up soon. Like it doesn't just go down, right? And that's how the market tricks you. So intuitively, like new traders, they fall for this often, and they're like, okay, it's gone down enough. We should intuitively think that like naturally it should be able to come up. The market should balance itself out, right? And that's where people lose. I just bought a small lot. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't buy here, boys. It's too obvious to buy. It's too obvious. I think it's too obvious, at least. Alright, we got 5 minutes for a 4th hour close. 5 minute on oil did kind of break structure. Now it's tapping around to 76 areas. I'm actually gonna move this around these areas. Yeah. Once we tap 76.85, we should be able to get some nice buys on oil. That's gonna be the 4-hour retest. Now hopefully we don't pull back here, but hopefully we should be able to come down. We were only 10 pips away earlier. So we should be able to come down here. Once we tap 76.85, we get some nice buys. Nice buys. You see, boys? That's what I'm talking about. It's too obvious. Whenever something is too obvious, you have to rethink it, because nothing that makes you money or nothing that makes you successful is obvious, because otherwise everybody would make money. So yeah, just think, what is everybody thinking right now? Okay, do the opposite. What is everybody thinking right now? Okay, buy. It's gone down 200 pips. It can't go down further than this. There's no way it goes down further than this. And then it goes further than this. And then okay, now okay, and then suddenly they switch. Okay, maybe we're just driving here. Maybe we're just gonna go down all the way to fucking hell. Okay, let's sell. And then it goes up. You know, so... Full margin sell noted. No, I didn't say sell, guys. But I'd say sell is better than buy right now. That's what I'd say. But I didn't say anything. Any positions. Right, because the masses lose, right? The majority loses money. So you have to win, you have to do what the opposite of what the majority does. That's how it is. That's how the game is played. So don't be a sheep. What I also noticed is that we have 104 viewers, but we have 27 likes. So you guys are being cheap. Like the video, come on boys, like the video. You just got a great sell with SA. You just caught a great sell with SA. So I think for that you should be liking the video. Also, it's an attendance check, right? So I think you guys should give the video a like. If you could do that thing for me, then I'm happy. $250 pip move is crazy. Oh no, maybe it's gonna pull back here, right? You can't go further than this. You can't go further than this. No way. No, it has to pull back sometime. Come on now. Pull back? Oh no, it's driving. You taking the trades yet? No. No, we're not taking the trades yet. Or we kind of did. Like the QTC did. I'm actually contemplating buys here. Okay, David. Buy. I mean, you come pretty far down, so you mean you could buy here for sure. Right? This is last support. We should get pullback opportunity from 2000. Yeah. You guys jump in first. You guys jump in first, I'll jump in after you guys. You guys catch the pullback, I'll catch the continuation. No, close below. Okay, so obviously it's gonna pull back sometime, right? But I'm just saying that your intuition is telling you to buy, right? Because it's overextending. And that's what, if you're feeling that way, that means that everybody else is feeling that way too. Nah, stick to your Novik place. I will, bro, thank you. So that's all I'm saying, right? I'm saying don't be too quick to try to predict a falling knife, right? Don't try to, that's all I'm saying. Now, obviously you're gonna get a pullback, right? Obviously the price is gonna balance itself out. There's no doubt. I'm just saying don't try to predict it. That's all I'm saying. Don't try to predict the pullback. My intuition is saying it tapped into final support. Alright, if your intuition is saying that, then buy. But I wouldn't buy. On the daily and every other time frame. I know, bro, but sometimes price doesn't care about that. But hey, you do whatever you want, bro. If you feel like you want to buy, buy. But I would advise you not to. Don't get FOMO. Damn, bro. If this 4 hour had no top wick, I would be in buys here. Damn, I would be in buys here, boys. Unfortunately, though, very unfortunately, we don't have a bottom wick. So maybe even sells would look good here, boys. But against the 4 hours, we get easily wicked out. It's your no wick play, bro. On gold, this is not a no wick play. A no wick play would be the opposite. A no wick play would be if it had a no bottom wick. Then it would be a no wick play. Because then you'd have no wick to the downside, indicating that you have a probability to flip. But this is not a no wick play. The market is moving without respecting the top X. I'm telling you guys, whatever you're thinking, everybody's thinking the same. So be careful. That's all I'm saying, be careful. Oops. I don't know how, but I made more losses than the wins with SA signals. A catch-up. That's crazy. That's actually like, you must handpick the signals, bro. Because he has like, I think he has like close 30 plus wins and like 5 losses. So that's actually insane. I don't know where stops would be for buys. Yeah, good luck with that, bro. I mean, bro. Like, you have a slippery slope down, bro. I mean, if there's no point in having stops anywhere here. Right? So, yeah. You may not have joined the stream. Yeah, you guys gotta join SA stream. You guys are missing out big time. Contemplating sells here, boys. Contemplating sells here on oil. We haven't come down enough on the 4 hour to retest. We have no bottom wick. Also, the 5, 15, 30 has broken structure. So yeah, you know what I'm gonna do here, boys? I'm actually gonna grab a sell here on oil. Let me call it out. Right here, stop loss is going to be same position. Stop loss is going to be breaking the highs on the 4 hour. All the way down to the retest. So that's going to be the position, boys. That's my position on oil, boys. see here. Yep. Ooh, 5 minute no top wick. Or a very small one. Hopefully, let's see here. Yeah, the 4 hours should not be able to break the lows here, or the highs. It's previous highs. Broke structure on almost every time frame. Right, so you broke structure on the 4 hour, or not on 4, you broke structure on the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. 4 hour did not tap down to the most recent support. So yeah, every time frame is very bearish at the moment, right? You had this nice bullish structure on every time frame, right? So let's see here. Yeah, if you break the highs, you're gonna come up to 78 point. Yeah, 78. That's probably the next area you're coming up to if you break the highs. So that's why. I got a slight push here on the 5 minute. All right, coming up here, boys. Let's see. Why not use previous 4 high for stop loss? That's what I'm doing. Now, obviously, I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. I'm not gonna have it exactly at the top, but yeah, I do have it above. Like, the idea for the stop loss is the previous 4 hour high. That's the idea for the stop loss. Now you do have some you have some decent bullish pressure, which is not ideal. Gold bleeding heavy? Yeah, as expected. You do have some pretty decent bullish pressure on oil, which is not ideal. Now, you are tapping right into that resistance, or the most recent resistance. The hourly... yeah, the hourly does look a little weird. Yeah, you do have a lot of bullish pressure here, boys. Out of nowhere. Can you expect the reason why adding extra room from past 4 are high? Because usually, if it it doesn't break exactly. The thing is, if you, for example, look for a breakout buy, or like let's say you break out the lows. Again, everything in trading never respects a exact line or exact point. It's always a certain area. That's why. So if I say break the highs, I mean maybe break the highs with like 4 or 5 pips. That's what I mean when I say break the highs. It doesn't, like, break of the highs doesn't mean exactly broke it, like with that in a millimeter. No, it means break of the highs means it broke the highs pretty decently with like 5 pips. Also, in my experience, I've noticed that usually it can break the highs and then come back down, or usually it doesn't have to always drive when you break the highs. But yeah, I just want to give it a little wiggle room, that's all. Like, that's just my experience talking. It's just what I've noticed, right? It's not really, I can't give a real logical explanation, but it's just what I've noticed through all of my trades. That where the best places, like it's always best to give some wiggle room. Alright, 5 minute pushed up heavy. Now let's see. Hopefully we don't get the same 5 minutes as we got earlier, which is the no top wick play. The 5 minute did kind of respect. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully the 5 minute doesn't flip here. That's actually that's that ICT mentality thing, lol. Well, ooh, a lot of stop loss here. The market is gonna bait them. That might be the case too, bro. I honestly, it's just experience thing for me. It's just an experience thing for me. Not like, even with my strategy, everything is in pure logical numbers game. Is to me, it's a lot of intuition and experience that plays part. So yeah, there's not really logical experience. It's just my experience in the market telling me that that's the best area. Those motherfuckers funny. Yeah, low key. I mean, I don't believe that. I'm not saying, oh, I'm not saying any conspiracy. Oh, everybody stop loss here. They're trying to bait them. The market is trying to catch people. I'm just saying through experience. That's what I think. It's gonna. I went 78.07 above the 4-hour structure. 78.07. Yeah, that could work too. Let's see here. We are at break even at the moment, and this 5 minute does not have a bottom wick, which is bugging me. $30 does have time to flip. Hourly does have time to flip. So we do have time to flip on all the time frames. Thanks for explanation. No problem, bro. Signals are only probabilities. On receiving signals, must analyze before entering trades. Yes, I always urge you guys to analyze the trades. When me and SA send a signal, first analyze it yourself, see if you're comfortable, see if it matches with your play style, and then enter. Don't just enter blindly, because it's not gonna help you guys. I promise. Yeah, damn, gold all the way to 2,000. Holy shit, crazy boys. One minute left for the 15 and the 5. Let's see. If the 15 closes like this, it's going to be perfect, because that's going to be closure respecting. So ideally the 15 closes respecting here, meaning where it is right now. That's terrible advice. Full margin SA signals, low key. Don't do it to us 5. Imagine 5 flips in 18 seconds. It's going to be tough. Yeah, does not look good, boys. Does not look good. Does not look good at all. I think I'm gonna move stops to break even prematurely. Just because I don't like the 15 no top wick, bro. At all. I don't like the 15 no top wick at all. Because if it flips, it might actually fill the previous wick. So I'm going to actually move stops to break even here very prematurely. I know it's probably going to hit break even, guys, but It's better than us flipping on the 15 and filling the wick up. Yeah. Just to be on the safe side, because if this 15 flips, it's probably going to fill the wick up. Because we don't want to have the no wick play against us. Again, guys, it's probably going to break even. So if you guys want to close in small profit, you could close. But I'm going to move subs to break even and just see what happens. But yeah. The reason being the 15 no top wick play is against us. Yeah, that's a flip. I'm at break even here. And that is how you manage a position, boys. That is how you manage a position. Now, this could drive. I have no FOMO. I have no FOMO at all. But this is how you manage a position. So, if you get a play against you, if you get a closure against you or anything like that, you have to be able to manage the position. To stay on the safe side. After tapping 2000, market has pulled back around 50 pips. Yeah, it's made a big pullback here, boys. Buys now? No, I would not jump into buys here. Now, no FOMO here, boys. If this flips and drives all the way to TP, no FOMO at all. $930 counter trend buys on gold incoming. I'd be careful, bro. I'm in buys right now based on the 1 minute and 4 hour flip. I put subs to break even already. Nice. B hit. Yeah, boys, it's a tough market right now. It's a tough market. Can't do much. Tough market. Can't do much right now. You just have to, these days you just have to sit and just observe. Observe. But this is good because this is where you build your intuition. This is where you build your experience in the market. Right? Days like these where you just observe. Just sit and you observe what the market, how the candles move, how price action moves, how news affects the market. Right? That's what you do. Now there maybe not be any entry for gold. No, I'd be very careful with gold, bro. I'd be very careful for gold, bro. Very careful. Oil is a little clearer. If you guys are trading oil, oil is a little clearer. It doesn't have, it's not as volatile. It doesn't react to news. But gold is very risky right now. I'd be very careful with gold. Very careful. So I'd wait here, boys. No impulse entries. None of that stuff. But yeah. Otherwise, boys, how are we feeling? How are we feeling? Feeling good? Feeling alright? What's the time? Not, dude, it's still so early, bro. Still so early. We're chilling, bro. Nice, man. I'm glad to hear that. I'm chilling too. Game time? Should we play games this early? Should we end the stream this early? I mean, you got caught fucking, what is this? You guys caught 286 pips, let's say. I mean, you guys should be satisfied for the day, to be honest. And if you're not, you're in the same boat as me, because I caught 0. I've caught 0 pips today. 0 pips. So if you guys didn't catch any pips, don't feel left out. Don't get FOMO. You're with me. We're in the same boat, me and you. We'll wait for our position. Our time to shine will also come. 0 Pippers Club. Yeah. Welcome to the 0 Pip Club. Yeah, it's okay, guys. It's okay. Do you see the Super Bowl? No, I didn't watch the Super Bowl. I just saw that Patrick Mahomes won. I think he plays for the Chiefs, right? I also saw that Taylor Swift and her boyfriend. I think her boyfriend won as well. I saw that everywhere. I couldn't avoid it. Like every single sports news channel, every single page on Instagram, all posted like Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift like partying and stuff. I was like, okay. Thank you for the information, I guess. But yeah. I caught minus 50 today. Hey, it's fine, bro. Tomorrow you'll catch plus 100. Just stay consistent. I like the halftime show and we had a really good game. Yeah, I mean, I like the culture. Like, I like that. That's the one thing I like about the US. The US puts a lot of its effort into sports. And a lot of the culture has to do with sports. That's what I like about the US. I like that it's such a sports-oriented culture. Like, you have the Super Bowl, NBA is huge, NFL, like MLB. You have such a good sports culture. That's what I love. Like everybody, it's like a way to bring the people together. Everybody celebrates. Everybody has a good time. Watches the games, right? So I like that about the US a lot. That's actually a really cool thing. Anyone into chess? No, not anymore. I used to when I was younger. I don't play that much anymore. I took sell at 2010 on gold and took profit at 2007, about 30 pip profit, but it was an aggressive entry. Hey, good job, bro. Hey, you survived at least. Be happy with the profits. Last half hour of the 30. Will it flip? Will it flip, and will we have sell stops on the flip? No, I'm joking. I like the halftime show. Yeah, I saw Usher. Usher had the halftime show. That was nice. What are you saying, boys? Hey, by the way, is the stream quality good? Is the stream quality good, boys? Is it better than yesterday? 10 out of 10? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Get in there. 1080. Nice. Now if gold again taps 2000, it may get a sell opportunity. 2000. Yeah, if it breaks its own lows, possibly, yeah. We got some structure being formed here, which is nice. We got some nice structure being formed. I think oil wants to drive here. I think oil, I'm pretty sure oil wants to flip. Again, very low volume, so not much we can do. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I forgot what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something. I was gonna say something revolutionary. I forgot. Anyways. Higher low on the 1 minute. Bro, you in the 1 minute, bro. Yeah, I guess. Higher low on the, like, I don't know. 1 minute isn't really that clear to me, or it's not really that high confirmation, so I don't want to take trades off the 1 minute. But it's been working. Trust the process. We'll see if it respects this higher low. It should break the highs. So if you're saying this is a higher low, then it should make a higher high. So let's see if it breaks the highs. But yeah, guys. What are we saying? Should we call it a day? Should we call it a day? What else can we do here now? It's not much we can do. I'm back after a little detox. Yeah, SA when I got a massage. Buy gold for the jokes. Warzone stream, I don't have it downloaded, bro. I haven't downloaded Warzone yet. Otherwise I would load up Warzone. Or we would hop on, but I have not downloaded it yet. Here's what's so weird. Here's what's so iffy about the one minute L streamer. Yeah, don't make me load up Fortnite, bro, and start cranking 90s. Here's what's so iffy about the 1 minute, right? Because you could say, okay, lower low or higher low. What's to say that this isn't the higher high? Now you made a higher high. And now you're breaking below the lower low. Right? This is the thing with the 1 minute. 1 minute is fucking weird, bro. 1 minute is weird. Yeah, now it's broken the lower low. I think if you master the 1 minute, you'll be the best trader. Alright, bro, I'll leave that to you. No, you know what? I'll leave that to you, David. I'll let you master the 1 minute, and then you can become a QTC trader with the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute trader. The 1 minute master. The 1 minute man. Oh, 1 minute man. The minute man. The minute. Alright, it's breaking its lows now again. Well, I guess we manage our position, right? It's the 1 minute trade, and that's nothing to do with the chart. Let's wait for 30 minutes closure. We will get some opportunity. Oil trades was good entry, but unlucky. Yeah. Yeah, the oil trade was good, but Like, it's good that we managed the position at least. So we got to break even. But yeah, we got 2 break-even trades today. That's crazy. I got a break-even trade earlier. I think I was on oil as well. Yeah, 2 break-even trades. GG's Golds wants to just bleed. Yeah. Holy shite. That's just a, dude, that's just like a, that's a quick 25 pips like it's nothing, bro. Like it's nothing. Like it's chump change. It's just a quick like 25 here. Insane, bro. The volume is crazy right now. But yeah, someone in the chat said when it broke its own lows, it should drive, and you were right, bro. I think it was Creed. Creed be dropping some gems in chat, bro. Yeah, you see how it's very weird. Damn. Will 1980s get tapped off rip? Will 1980s get tapped off rip? But yeah, this is what I'm saying, boys. This is what I'm saying. This is why we gotta be so careful. This is why you can't trust. You can't trade based off of emotions. Right? You can't trade based off of emotions. Because everybody's intuition is saying buy. Everybody's intuition is saying buy. Everybody's thinking, like, are we gonna reverse? But it doesn't care. Does not care, right? Oh, maybe here, maybe it's overextended. We're gonna reverse. No, it's overextended. We're gonna reverse. Nope. Oh my god! Now we have to reverse. Like, come on. Nope. Oh, it made a green candle. It's gonna reverse. Nope. So yeah, boys, don't just let the market decide first. Let the market decide what it wants to do, and then you jump in after. We don't try to predict. We let the market decide and tell us what it wants to do. We don't try to put our words and thoughts onto the market, because that will never work out. We let the market tell us what it wants to do. So now we're just waiting for it to tell us a story. Yeah, there are no positions on either pair that I can take right now. No positions on either pair. Oil doesn't really have a clear structure. It's moving sideways at the moment. It's consolidating a lot. Look, it's consolidating a lot. Gold is the opposite. Gold is just driving. Gold is just bleeding. So taking positions on any pair right now is going to be very tough. Plus, gold has clean traffic all the way to 1980s. But like I said, boys, I've been telling you guys this for maybe weeks, almost months. 1980s is gonna be tapped. 1980s is gonna get tapped. If you guys go back like 10 streams, I told you guys earlier, 1980s will come down to 1980s, and that was as soon as the idea of the rate cuts shifted, is when that started happening. As soon as, because like everybody that knows a little bit about economics realized that you're not going to be able to cut rates early this year. You're going to have to wait for the rate cuts. So eventually they had to come out with the information about the rates being higher for longer. And as soon as they did that, that's when gold started reversing completely and just switching its trend. right? And now he's gonna get, God knows how far he's gonna come down. I know 1980 is gonna get tapped. Like, other than that, I don't know, because 1980s is a very strong level. 1980s is a very strong level. But then we'll see. Probably gonna get some consolidation. Maybe come up a little. Maybe come to 2000s. Maybe move sideways until the next big catalysts. But yeah. How about if now 5-minute candle taps 2005 and close above? I won't take a position off of the 5. I will not take a position off of the 5. No way. No way, Jose. I want to see structure get formed. So I'd want to see maybe something like this. Maybe come down to 1980s, and then we can take probably a breakout. But until then, no positions for me. We'll stick to oil. Oil looks good to come down here. Oil looks not good to come down. It seems like it didn't break the highs and also rejected. So it is kind of respecting the bearish structure being formed, the bearish trend. So oil does look good to come down here. But I'm not gonna enter right now. Because it's not as clear as I want it to be. Now this 1 hour has 22 minutes to flip. Will it flip within the 22 minutes? I have no idea. Will the 4 hour flip? I believe the 4 hour will flip, because I do believe the 4 hour hasn't tapped low enough. I think the 4 hour needs to come down to at least 76.85 before coming up, because that is the next area of resistance. That would be the retest. And like I said, oil loves to retest. Oil loves to retest. So for us to be able to retest, you have to flip on the 4 hour. So yeah. Now the reason I exited the trade was because we had a 15 wick no wick compensation play against us, and also since it's the 4 hour, we have no idea how far up the 4 hour wick will be, right? The 4 hour could wick up to 93 and then make its way down, because the 4 hour has 4 hours to flip, and in those 4 hours it can do whatever. It could come up to up here, it could come down, then come back up, then come down, then come back up, and then the last hour flip, right? That's why. But it looks like it wants to flip now, at least. And it's probably gonna flip now. Yeah, it looked good to come down. You're right, we need structures to be formed in gold. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. But yeah, no FOMO here, guys. No FOMO. Just stick to your discipline. Don't FOMO anything. Stick to your discipline and your positions will come. I promise. And I know I'm like repeating myself and I say this every stream, right? Stick to your discipline, don't FOMO, blah, blah. But it's so important that you guys have to hear it every day. You just have to. Either you hear it from me or you lose money in the markets. And you'll learn either way. You learn either way. But rather that you hear it from me and actually apply it than lose a ton of money that you didn't have to lose. Or maybe you had to lose it to learn a lesson. Who knows, right? But that's why I'm repeating myself so much. It's because it's so crucial. News ruined my date. I just want to counter trend. No counter trend, bro. Remember, trend is your friend. That saying is for a reason. No one just came up with that. Like, trend is your friend. That's the 4 hour. I think that's the 4 hour flip very soon. Yeah, the 4 hour is about to flip here. Let's see if we get a push after 4 hour flip. No? Yeah? Maybe? Yep, that's the 4 hour push, and that is the wick fill. If gold taps 1992, we may get a sell opportunity. You mean tap or do you mean break below? Because that is a area of support. Now very soon you could get a nice oil buy. Because if you come down and tap down to the oil, this area on oil, you could get a nice oil buy. I'm gonna remove this area for now. Break below. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. What do you say, 9092? Yeah, I see. I see. I see. Yeah, if you break below 92, you're gonna tap 1980s for sure. For sure. Yeah, definitely. I'll mark the zone up. Yeah, 1992 is a strong level. Or 19, I would say 1990 is a stronger level than 1992. 1992 as well, but I'd say 1990. Just to be, this should be safe. No, no FOMO here, boys. No FOMO. Why do I have the position on the screen still? You might ask. That's because I want you guys to look at it. I want us to feel the FOMO. Like I want you guys to look. Okay. Damn. Like feel the feeling. Like get the feeling of, okay, damn, I really missed this trade. We could have caught 44 pips. But we missed it. That's why I have it here. So you get comfortable with the feeling. So you get used to the feeling. Because then you get desensitized. And once you get desensitized, that's when you start. Like that's a tipping point in your trading career. Is when you get desensitized to FOMO, losses. Like you just don't care. Like it's just another day. Might test 1990.7. 0.07. 90.07. Yeah, that's the area I have that if we close below, you're gonna see a drive. Look for sell opportunities. Let's see now. 1977 era, yeah. I mean, there are areas all like there are areas 1977 is it or 1977, 1976 is an area, right? You have a bunch of areas all the way down, right? But that's not really the important part because we're not there yet. Once you come below 1990s, that's when I start drawing out the levels below. But with let's see here. Very similar to this move right here. So you have 1970, from 1974 to 1980s is also a very strong area. This whole area in general is good for swings. This whole area in general is very good for swings. So that's maybe where I'd consider taking a buy position, like counter trend position. No top wick, yeah, but it's 12 minutes left and it has 50 minutes. Dude, there's so much volume still, bro. It's actually crazy. We had news. How long ago did we have news? We had news more than 1 hour ago, and there's still this much volume. Like, we still moved 50 pips in 15 minutes. Still so much volume, bro. So much leftover volume. Crazy, actually. Let's see. I do want us to tap 76 to look for buys on oil. That'd be the 4-hour retest. That's gonna be a swing position though. The stops are gonna be 130 pips. That's gonna be a swing position though. When it's a day like this, it's best to just hop off. I don't see any more entries. Yeah, hop off, or like I like to do, I'd like to just stare at the charts. Anyways. And just become more and more desensitized to the feeling of missing out. Gonna watch a movie and just pee back and forth, yeah. Yeah, boys, just stay out here, boys. Just don't force anything. Don't do anything stupid. I think your boy needs a quick power nap. SA got very lucky today. No, he didn't. That was all calculated. All calculated. No luck. That's so cap. Alright, bro. All I know is they caught like 200 pips. That's all I know. Not luck, no luck, skill, insider information. I don't know. All I know is they won that trade. That's really all that matters. Nah, I'm joking. Crazy they got alive though. Crazy they got out alive. Imagine, like, that was, yeah. But W's. I was like, dude. Big W's. Big W's. I don't know, he kind of got bailed, but yeah, I mean, bro. So did I one time on stream. Yeah, big W's. I think we're gonna bring him on stream more often for news. Looking for buys? No, bro. I love how people have been asking me if I'm looking for buys since like 2007 areas. Like since 2007 areas, people have been asking me to look for buys, retrace, but like buys, pull back. No, guys, no buys. Remove that word from your vocabulary at this moment. No buys, no buys. No buys. Also, why do we have 55 likes? I know we can do better than that. I want everybody to stop whatever you're doing. Like the video. Like the video. Matter of fact, tell your mom to come on the stream and also like the video. Then tell your grandpa to come like the video, and then tell your dog to come like the video. I've told you guys, that's all I want from you guys on the stream. On stream, all I want from you guys is to just leave a like. And then I'm happy. Then I can trade for you guys. That's all I want. So as long as you leave a like, I will keep trading and keep going live. Log into your burners, chat. Yeah, for real. Old me would have caught massive L's. Now just, yeah, dude, that's a huge W, bro. The fact that you can say that is a huge W, bro. That means you've grown a lot. The fact that you could realize that, okay, you know what? Me 2 years ago, I would have lost money here. But me today, I ain't losing money, bro. I ain't losing none. That's a big dub. It means you've grown a lot. $102 watching, but not even half likes. Come on, slackers, give me like. Yeah, guys, don't be slackers. If you press the red button today, you made money. Yeah, you could have sold anytime. In the past hour, you could have sold anytime and made money. But again, in hindsight, it's easy to say, right? What does a watermelon emoji mean? Can anybody explain? But yeah, this has been one of the craziest drops I've seen in a while. This is one of the craziest journeys I've seen in a while. Almost 400 pips. Yeah, bro, tough journey, but we gotta be in the what? In the 1%, exactly, bro. To be in the 1%, you gotta do the opposite of what the 99% are doing. And they're buying here. That's all I'm saying. They're loading up buys here. They've been loading up buys since 2006. I know you're buying Quit the Cap. No, I'm not. Don't say that. It's crazy actually. We reflipped, we made a small nipple wick, and now we come back. Buys it's 1972, not before. What's up? I'll be back. What? What? You just came, bro. Yeah, I mean, I'd say, to be honest, I'd say if you want buys, guys, I'd say around, I'd say 1647 should be a pretty good area for buys, to be honest, guys. Or even lower. You know what? Even lower, to be honest. I'd say, nah, yeah, I'd say right here. 1454 should be a pretty good sell for you guys. Or buy opportunity. But I'm not touching buys until we tap 1465.585. So yeah, boys. So let's see here. We should be able to tap this very soon. So 1475 should be pretty good area for buys, and we should be able to catch. I'd say we should be able to catch like a 10 pip move. So that would be pretty good for like 10 pips. So once we tap 1468, we get some nice buys, and we'll be out at 10 pips. Move stops break even at 5. And stop loss is gonna be pretty big stop loss, guys. I mean, I don't like, you guys know I don't like big stop losses, but stop loss is gonna have to be down at 1235 below the break of this structure right here. But I am very secure in this position, so it's not gonna be a problem, boys. Just lower your lot size, and there shouldn't be a problem. So yeah. Now we just have now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a waiting game. Let's see, what is oil doing here? Oil is moving pretty slow at the moment. Not much we can do in oil. Wow, what was this, guys? Guys, what happened on the 23rd of December? Anybody knows what happened on the 23rd of December? Dude, what are the, like look back and just like look at this fucking candle, bro. Like, what is this? Oh, this was war. Was this the war? Was this the Palestine-Israel war? Look at this, bro. Like, have you ever seen, guys, a 640 pip candle with no top wick and no bottom wick and no top wick? Have you ever seen that? 13 December FOMC. Was this FOMC? 13. This is 23rd. No, this is 13. My bad. I looked at the wrong number. Oh yeah, this was FOMC. Oh yeah, Powell. Oh yeah, the power of Powell. And then this, I guess this was the Palestine war, right? Yeah, holy shit, bro. Actually insane. This whole push was insane, bro. Within, like, bro, 1,800 pips is crazy. It's actually crazy. Actually insane. It's actually insane. Should we call it a day, boys? Maybe I need to turn off notifications. My bad. I'll do it after the stream. I think we'll call it a day, boys. Honestly, price is moving slowly on oil, and gold is just gonna drop forever. Seems like. So we're not trying to catch a falling knife, and also we're not trying to predict when it's gonna reverse. So yeah, call it a day here, boys. Thank you for watching the stream. I appreciate you guys. Pretty chill day. I had 2 break-even trades, so nothing from me. We had a special guest with the name of SA who came in and gave you guys about 200 pips. And from his stream as well. So 200 pips across his stream, and then he came back on mine. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you same place, same time tomorrow. Take care, boys. Oh, you know what? Maybe we should play a game. I forgot. Maybe we should do this a recurring thing. Maybe we should play a game first. So don't have W's yet. No W's just yet. Let me just play this game first. What broker are you using? I'm using Blueberry Markets. Go to my Discord channel, and under the section my favorite broker, you could see the broker I'm using. Blueberry Markets. Chat's dead. Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna play anyways. I just want to get it done. Trade market. Chat dead store. Oh, okay. House. Oof. Corp. Store, building, apartment, skyscraper. No, I guess the building was the closest. Wait, not bad. Construct. It's con. My bad. Sorry, guys. You guys know I'm not English. What else is there? Building, construction, tent. Room is a good one. Oof, never mind. Office. Buy car plus I tried skyscraper. What else is there? What can you live in? You could live on a tree. Oh my! What the fuck? Okay, wait. I was completely joking with the tree thing. What else is there? What? My brain isn't working. Help me out, guys. Cave. No, but it was a good thought though. Cave was a good thought. I see how you. I tried wood. Bark. Hut. No, tree is second. So what's the closest? What's the closest thing you could think to tree, guys? What's the closest thing to a tree? Leaf. What's the closest? I would say bush, honestly. Let's say I tried bush. Branch is a good one. Forest. Jungle. How is jungle that far away? Hill, water. Okay, so it's something. Okay, so it's something in nature, close to a tree. Igloo. I thought it's igloo, bro. Bark, you first. It looks like speed. Tree house. That's not one word, bro. That's not one word. What the fuck? Oh, it's an animal. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Look. Never mind. Stream. He might have gotten it. No, it's not flower. Photos. Close one, bro. Lake is a good one. Ocean is a good one. Sea is a good, What can you guys see here? I tried mountain, bro. I tried waterfall as well. Bark, I tried all the mold. I didn't try mold, but I don't think it's mold though. No. River. How can we not? Oh, never mind. Earth. It's probably Earth. I think you got it, bro. I think you got it. No, bro. Bird's nest? Maybe nest. No. I thought it was Earth too. Nest, I tried nest. Pasture. Bro, you always come with the funniest ones, bro. Mud. I swear if we didn't try nature. Oof. Woods? That's like wood, right? Yeah. Woods like you're in the woods, you know? Whatever. Plant? Plant is plant. Let's fucking go. Hey, whoever got that, Hexion, good fucking job, bro. Let's get it, boys. That was a long one. Holy shit. Doubles in the chat. I'll see you boys tomorrow. Same place, same time. Take care. Peace.